Hey guys, MD here playing Ratchet and Clank. Sorry for the lag of videos. School and everything. So, let's start with this. Let's get started. No. Okay. Some stuff. These. Freaking weird. Right here. And, go like this. Because on yes, game options. Good. Okay, golden. Do this. Look at this. I'm a gangsta. It's not like I'm ready. See this? I have not played this. Oh yeah, comment down below if you guys want me to play this, and let's go to 10,000 likes. Okay, let's get into this. I'm a big fan of Ratchet and Clank. It's like, I love these guys.
Well, you were right. We must have picked up some Terra troves when we flew through the asteroid belt. What do you think?
Ratchet?
Oh, sorry.
I believe we simply need to recouple the ion converter.
All right, let's get to it.
Floating. Wee.
Thanks, pal.
Incoming holocom from Apogee, Talwyn. Hey, Ratchet! I can't breathe! No oxygen! Light flashing before my eyes!
I'm not listening.
Ratchet! I'm dying!
No, you're not.
Oh, fine. You know, you laughed the first time I did that.
I found it to be quite humorous.
Thanks, Clank.
Our sensors picked up some sort of rupture in the Deck 3 power grid. Everything okay?
Yeah, that was my bad. Trying to save time by piloting through an asteroid field.
We will deliver the prisoner to the Vartex Detention Center in approximately 2 hours.
Then you'd better take her out of cryosleep now. The faster you turn her over to the Vartex guards, the better.
Oh, are you worried about us?
Vendra Prague isn't like the other criminals we faced. She's cold and empty in a way I've never seen. Promise me you won't go near her without Kronk and Zephyr, okay?
We'll check in with them right now. I've got everything under control, Tal. Don't sweat it.
I guess it's like a chick Lombax? I don't know.
I believe Kronk and Zephyr are still on the bridge.
10 bolts say they fell asleep again.
Let's go collect some bolts. Hey, wait. More bolts in. How got these somewhere? Yeah, I just killed some robots. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I like collecting bolts. Hit it, okay. Sakalaka! Oh god, is that the plumber? Oh boy, I just figured out how to shoot. Happy me, I figured out how to shoot. Looking at that, that's like... Okay, that's like locked. Let's shoot this plumber.
Oh, hello there. Now I hear you're escorting Vendra Prague to the Hoosegow.
Oh god.
She's a mean space witch, that's for sure.
Who that is that plumber dude?
Yeah, great. Who put these here?
Look how cute they are. We should wake them up gently.
We should wake him up gently. Let's try it. My oil. What the heck are we looking at here? I have no idea what we're looking at here. Oh god, you're asleep.
Well, what's happening? Are we under attack?
Hey, Zeph. Sleep well?
What is it? Is Turkey on back?
Morning, Krog. Rise and shine, fellas. It's time to wake up Vendra Prague.
Do we have to? That space witch is bad news, I tell you.
Oh, will you quit your whining, you darn fool? We're supposed to turn her over to the authorities. Now, come on.
And lousy space witch. Kidnapping all them terracnoids, hurting all those helpless citizens. For shame.
Yeah, I guess we're just gonna keep going straight, okay? It's another movie.
You hang back while Kronk and I wake up Vendra.
Deactivating chronosleep on prisoner 9971.
Whoa, she looks like a Lombax.
Please stand by.
And also she looks like one of those
Error.
dudes from
Power
Teen Titans.
fluctuation detected. Power fluctuation detected.
Oh boy!
It's her. I knew this was a bad idea.
When was Captain Quark at? Oh dude, I can't do it. I'm going to just turn off the gravity.
Everyone okay? Where are you guys?
I'm here, Rook.
I see ya. Hang on, Kronk. Zap, are you in here?
Down here.
We must find a magnetic surface for the ground boots.
Look to your right, Brooke. Should be one over there.
I see it. Better get to the containment wing and make sure Vendra's locks are still engaged. You guys gonna be okay?
We'll be fine. You go ahead. Kronk and I will work on restoring gravity.
Woohoo! Something not restoring gravity while I'm floating. That's bad news, boy. Okay. Oh. That's popcorn! Okay, they changed the throne. Yoink!
We will need to do something about those hydraulic locks.
Omni Blaster should take care of them. Hang on.
Nice. Oh, I love my blaster though. It's like gear, boy. Oh, oh! Am I like literally falling out right now? Oh jeez. Flying. Whee! This is fun. Right side of the spaceship.
Right. You okay?
Okay.
Yeah. We're good. I think it's safe to say Vendra's proton field is down.
I don't think we should have woken her up, Rook. What she can do, boy, it's not normal.
Let's get that gravity generator running. I think I can handle a few asteroids.
No, I can't. Gotta deal with some asteroids.
Hang on, Rook. The thrusters are in a separate system. I'll see if I can hack in and shut them down. Initiating temporary shutdown. Now! Go, Rook!
We're through.
Nice work. Okay, get ready for the next one. Initiating temporary shutdown of thruster 2. Now!
Woohoo!
Okay, last thruster.
You're hacking the wrong system. That's the thermodynamic propulsion matrix.
Come on, F5, F5. Okay, got it.
Goes nothing.
We're clear. Thanks, guys. See? No sweat.
Basically be in there.
Airlock secure.
Zap, she's tapped into the PA system.
How? There's no power.
You really shouldn't have woken me up. But I'm glad you did.
good.
Elevator power restored. Going down.
Wait. Way ahead. Yeah, it is. I ditched you.
I'll just have to think of a few new ways to kill you.
That's fun, right? Don't you guys hate it when bad guys try to threaten to kill you and like... Sorry, I'm kind of slick. What? What was that? I thought you said they were sleeping. Shakalak.
Wing unlocked. Please stand clear of the prisoner.
Wait. I'm not supposed to go near the prisoner? I'm going near the prisoner. Uh-oh, we're dead. I'm right, she looks like Jinx from Teen Titans.
Oh, you made it. Come on in.
It's kind of weird
We
looking.
will need those battery bots in order to restore the proton field.
Do you always listen to what your little robot has to say?
Stay where we can see you, Vendra. We're just here for the proton field.
You're not afraid of little me, are you? Not after all you've done.
I love these little guys. Shoot.
That seemed a bit too easy. Let's have some fun.
Oh, jeez. Boy, stop running! So much. Thank you.
Proton field restored.
Good job, rookie. Croc and I have rerouted the power to an external generator. It'd be a real help if you can activate it for us. It's outside here, through the next airlock.
Bye, Ratchet. I'll see you soon.
What is this?
Hey, I see you found a piece of the hollow plan for the Rhino 7. Oh, it's a little project of mine. I split it up into pieces to prevent it from falling into the wrong hands.
Yeah, I was like flying. Oh god, I love these things.
Activating backup generator.
I'm skipping. It looks like. Oh, goes through another thing.
Excelsior! Good going, rookie. Gravity is restored.
Definitely heard you say that I could smack you. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Dead, man.
Sir, we are within striking distance of the Nebulhawks. Fire only rockets on my mark. 3, 2,
9.
1.
Is that an egg?
Mark. Oops. Wrong button.
I gotta get that in the press the wrong button so he didn't want to do the probably. Oh no! Whoa!
We're under attack. He's left in dog. It looks like he's hired thugs for this. They're trying to spring Vendra.
We gotta get back inside the ship and stop them.
You're back on, ain't it?
Airlock secure.
something but boxes. What is this? Oh, the famous grenade thing, dudes! Ace. I love this thing. It's like... Oh jeez. Oh jeez. That was close. Da la la.
You, take me to my brother. The rest of you, stay here and make sure you aren't followed.
She's free!
She's escaping.
Warning.
Dude!
Parasitic bombs detected in ship.
Nice. Dude, this is like way too easy. Okay. Oh, crud. Move it! Move! I do enough to do. Dude! Chill! Chill! Yikes! Yikes! Oh, like, simply just move, because you like that.
Attention all crew aboard Nebulok 7. This is Lifting Pro. By now you've noticed our good friends at Front
Here we level 20!
Blaster Mines. Any attempt to stop
No! Yes.
my sister will result in immediate destruction.
We don't bow to criminals, Prague. Prepare to meet your doom at the hands of Kronk and suffer!
Oh no.
Gronk, do not engage. You hear me? Wait for us to come back you up.
Shoot grenades! Whoa! Hot button. Hot button. No one can do it.
Gronk and need our assistance. We must hurry.
You don't think I'm trying, dude?
Get the line for you.
Level up! I am shooting you! No! Bad boy! Bad dinosaur! Okay. Ah! Got the big drill! I am shooting you! Stay back! Only gets hurt. Eat my grenades, suckers! Get away! Oh yeah! I killed you! Okay, need to get some ammo. Horizon Bridge. Easy peasy, lemon greasy. That was pretty easy. Look at my bones I got, dude! It's like more than I ever collected. Right now, it's like about, ah! Stop it! I'm killing you with my grenades! Eat my grenades! What the heck are you dudes? Haha, one of you guys' back was turned to me. What horrible jobs. This is a horrible. Wait. Oh boy. Gorilla Man and Jinx. Teen Titans,
6 months? You left me in here for 6 whole months?
This wasn't easy. I had to bribe elected officials for the ship's location, coordinate a galaxy-wide crime wave, hire extra muscle.
You are the muscle! Or at least you're supposed to be.
dude! What's happening? That's all.
The universe looks at you and sees a hero. But do you know what I see? A coward. Someone who lost the guts to find his race.
Let us out of here, you dirty wench!
Give me the detonator.
They're just a couple of old warbots. Isn't killing everyone a little?
A little what? Goodbye, Ratchet.
He's got little wings too! Oh! Oh boy. Oh, dude, that sucks. 2 warbots just got killed and demolished.
They are gone, Ratchet. We are not safe out here. If we do not keep moving, the thugs will kill us.
You incompetent reptiles! They're still alive!
We'll take care of them, Miss Brock. Serge, what's your status?
Yikes! Ah! Get me off! Get me off this place! Yoink! Yoink!
The ship is not up to us.
Thanks, Clank. Clank.
Ratchet, look out!
Slow bullets! Slow bullets! Oh jeez! Swing! Dude! Whoa! I need like a health pack. Woohoo! Yoink! Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? I don't know where to go! Well, at least I'm connected. And out of sight.
Space skill, sir. We got him. Good. I'm sending coordinates to planet Eric. We have work to do.
Nice. Freaking sick hate style right there, dude. Okay. That was a good part, but okay, guys, I'm gonna leave you. I'm coming back with another part. See you guys next time. Peace!